Hey guys, Junaid from Meninfluencer. Hope you look good, feel good and are ready to prosper, because in this video I'd like to talk about Lumin. So my last Lumin video has received more than 100,000 views, and therefore I thought it makes sense to give you guys an update in regards to this brand. So I've used this brand for more than 180 days, and thus in this video I'd like to update you guys in regards to my skin. But before I start, if you're someone that is new to this channel and you would love to see more videos like this, please consider to the subscribe button and help your brother out, because we're very close to 10k subscribers, and therefore by you subscribing you really help the channel out. Anyways, with that said, let's jump into the video. So since the last video received a lot of support, I reached out to Lumin and they were happy to provide a discount code. So I have a discount code link down below if you want to check out the products for yourself. Alright, so let me talk about the products now, because I've used a lot, and I'm telling you, a lot of the Lumin products. So Lumin is known for their skincare products, but they've also got a lot of other products. And as you can see on the screen right now, these are some of the products that I've currently got. So let me start off by talking about the Ultra Hydrating Moisturizing Balm. Because when it comes to this particular product, hands down, this is my favorite product when it comes to all of the Lumin products. And the reason for this is that it's quite lightweight, it's easy to put on your skin, and after you use this product, you instantly see the results. Your skin looks a little bit more shiny, but it's not too overpowering in my opinion, and at the same time it keeps your skin moisturized. The only downside in regards to this product is that it doesn't have any sort of SPF in it. The No Nonsense Charcoal Cleanser is a product that gets rid of all of the dirt on your skin. You only have to apply a little bit of this product, add a little bit of water, and then circulate all around your skin to make it a bit foamy. After that you have to rinse your skin, tap it dry, and you're good to go. And you're ready to move on to the next product. The good thing about this product is that it gets rid of the dirt, and you don't necessarily feel like that it's scratching too much of your pH oil off your skin. And thus for those individuals with sensitive skin, I definitely feel like that this is a good product. Moving on to the Dark Circle Defense. So this is a product I have a love-hate relationship with, because the product has a very enticing smell, and sometimes I feel like that this product is really doing its job, because some days I definitely feel that this product is doing a great job, while other days I feel like is it even doing anything at all. Because the Dark Circle Defense is a product that you apply under your eyes, and it's meant to be the perfect assist against under eye darkness, wrinkles and puffiness. I must admit that genetically I'm prone to have eye bags, but regardless, some days I feel like that this product is generally my brother, a product that's ready to help me fight against tiredness, while other days I just feel like it's not doing anything at all. But perhaps that's just me, so definitely let me know your thoughts if you've used this product before. And now I would like to talk about the Reload Exfoliating Rub. So this is a product that you only use once or twice a week and get rid of dead skin cells to review a fresh layer and improve skin regeneration. So when I initially started to use the trial, I had a lot of wrinkles on my forehead, as you can see on the screen. The interesting thing at that particular time was that I already thought that I had great skin and I didn't particularly have to use skin product. But boy, I was wrong, because after using this product, I saw that my skin started to regenerate new skin cells, and my skin generally looked a lot brighter and more appealing. So this product has done wonders for me, but to be honest, I don't really use this product as much now as I used to before. Because initially I used to use this product twice a week, but now I only use it perhaps once every 2 weeks. And thus if you're in a similar position and you would like to repair your skin, would like to take care of those wrinkles, I would actually recommend you this particular product. And if you're someone that doesn't know, Lumin provides exclusive free trial, which pretty much offers you all of the best products to take care of your skin, and all you have to do is to pay for shipping. So you can choose the classic maintenance set, the age management set, or the correction trio set. And depending on your skin requirement, you choose the set that fits you the best and tell them your skin type and age. And then you have to pay around $5 for shipping for most countries, and you'll be able to test those products out and see whether you actually like the brand and see for yourself how good the products are. I've always found this a great thing about Lumin, because everyone has a different skin type, and therefore you don't want to spend too much money on something if you're not even sure that it will work. So this is how big that trial sets are, and I know that most individuals, when they initially receive it, they're like, it's so small. But trust me, in my opinion, it lasted more than a month for me. And this is how the normal products look like. So these are meant to last you only 2 months, but in my opinion, this can also last you way longer than that. So I've just shown you how big the products are to give you some perspective. And thus if you're interested in the exclusive free trial, I'll have it linked down below. So now I would like to quickly go over some of the other products, talk about what my skin regime is at the moment, and finally I'll give you my thoughts and opinions. So the After Hours Recovery Oil is for those individuals that tend to have dry, damaged skin. And thus by applying this product overnight in cold weather or on long flights, you can prevent having that flaky skin. They've also got the touchless face mist. So this is a product that allows you to keep your skin hydrated, and it's basically a spray to keep your skin clean while you're on the go. Although I do have this product for quite a while, I haven't particularly used it that much after making the 60-day skin transformation video. Because in that video I was traveling more than I currently am, and thus I took this product with me when I went abroad and actually did do its job. Moving on to the intensive repair face mask. This is a product for those individuals that are definitely struggling quite a lot with their skin and want to make major changes. Because as you can see on the screen right now, this is how my skin used to look like around a year ago. Due to the first lockdown and me not taking care of myself as much as I should have, my skin started to produce excess oil, which in return caused acne. And I remember one of the first times when I started to use this face mask, I genuinely felt like that it was calming my skin and it was feeling a lot more rejuvenated after using the product. So initially, the first few times, it actually did wonders, and I genuinely felt like that my skin was feeling more at ease. And now if I'm actually using this product, I don't feel the same effect. Thus, if you're in a position where you feel like you already have great skin at the moment and just genuinely want to take care of your skin, I wouldn't particularly recommend this product. But if you're someone that wants to take the next step and feels like their skin can look much better than it currently does, you may want to consider using this product. And now I would like to talk about the charcoal cleansing pore strip. So this is an ordinary pore strip to get rid of all of those blackheads and preventing breakouts. At least that's what Lumin is claiming. But if I have to be honest, while using this product, I didn't actually feel like that this was a very good product. Now, I love most of Lumin's products, but when it comes to this particular product, while I actually used this product, I felt like that it wasn't strong enough to get rid of most of those blackheads compared to a lot of other pore strips. Because I've also used a lot of other pore strips before, and those tend to be more intense and be better and efficient at getting rid of those blackheads compared to this one. So it does get rid of the blackheads, but not as much as I would like it to. Let's talk about the anti-fatigue eye pad. So this is one of their products that's given me instant results while using it. Because you're meant to use this product on those days when you're a bit more knackered and you didn't have enough sleep, and thus you feel like that your skin is suffering from it, especially your eye bag. So all you have to do is to apply this product under your eyes, use it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you should be able to see some results. And as you can see on the screen right now, this is me using this product a few months ago. This is what I had to say about this product at the time. You really feel the sensation under your eyes when you actually start to use this. And my results. And now I would like to talk about one of the newer products, the Skin Purifying Toner. So this isn't necessarily a product that you have to use, but it's definitely an upgrade to your regime if you want to take it to the next level. Because it's a completely alcohol-free facial toner which gently clears the pores of dirt and excess oil. And by using this product, you restore the pH balance of your skin. So although all of the other products take care of your skin, this product allows your skin to take care of you. Because that's what they're claiming, and I've noticed this as well. After using this product, I generally feel like that my pH balance of my skin is more intact, and over time, my skin is actually rebalancing and redistributing my oils, which allows your skin to take care more of your skin, if that makes sense. So these are all of the skin products that they provide, but obviously they also provide a lot of other products. So some of the products that they provide is the cooling aftershave, the soothing beard oil, face scrubber, body scrubber, and they also provide a lot of hair and body products. And I've already made a video about the hair and body products where I went over their products after using for 30 days, and I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. Although I do have to mention that after making that video, they've launched a few new products. Because when it comes to a lot of those Lumin products, they're constantly renewing their products and getting new products to the market, such as the hydrating hand balm, natural mineral deodorant, and these are two products that I have used. But even more recently, they've also launched the exfoliating body scrub, nursing hand wash, and conditioning body balm. And these are products that I haven't used. So now I would like to talk about my current morning and night routine when it comes to these Lumin products. So in the morning, I start off with the charcoal cleanser to get rid of all of the dirt on my skin. And after that, I use the Skin Purifying Toner. And the reason that I use this product is to allow my skin to take care of itself rather than me constantly having to take care of my skin. And yes, I know some individuals might say that it sounds stupid because you still have to use the product. But I've had some days where I actually didn't use any sort of skin products at all, and I genuinely felt like that my skin was more intact because my skin was taking care of itself. So although in the short term I've actually seen that my skin has taken care of itself, I'm not sure what the effects are in the long term. And thus after using the Skin Purifying Toner, I use the moisturizing balm. Although when it comes to the moisturizing balm, it depends on the day because I love this product. But if I know that it's quite sunny outside and I will be out for most of the day, I will probably use some sort of product with an SPF in it. And this is one of those products with an SPF of 30 in it. The brand is called Get Mister, and I'll have a link down below if you want to check it out. And if I feel like that my eyes are a little bit puffy on the day, I use the eye puff deflator. And that's it for the morning routine. In the nighttime routine, I also use the charcoal cleanser. And then for those individuals that are new to this skincare game, I recommend you to use the exfoliating rub once or twice every week, although I'm using it once every 2 weeks. And then I use the moisturizing balm, and if you're above the age of 30, I recommend you to use the anti-wrinkle serum after the moisturizing balm, and if you have dry flaky skin, also the recovery oil. Although I do have to mention that those are 2 products that I don't use myself, and the last product that I use before I go to bed is the dark circle defense. And now I would like to talk about my thoughts and opinion after using these products for more than 180 days. So I've already made 2 videos in regards of the Lumin skin products, and in the first video I unboxed the product and gave my initial reaction. In the second video, I documented my journey of using the product and showed my results after using it for 60 days. After making the 60-day video, I used the product for a few months, and then after that, I switched over to another brand called Geology, where I made a 60 days video about that particular brand, and then I compared Lumin with Geology. But ever since then, I've mainly been using Lumin because I generally feel like that for most individuals, if you're someone that generally wants to take care of your skin and prevent aging, this is probably one of the better choices out there for most individuals. And with the free trial set, it's a no-brainer for most individuals to just check the product out and see whether it works for you. And this is how my skin currently looks like, and although when it comes to the beauty standards it's not perfect, I still feel like that my skin integrity is more intact constantly compared to when I wasn't using any sort of skin products before. And I'm not saying that I didn't have any sort of red spots while using these products. I've had some days that actually did have red spots, and they tend to last for a shorter period of time. And every day I get a few comments from people that actually started to take care of their skin and seeing some amazing results, and that's something that makes me happy. Most people that I know that have tried out Lumin have seen some results and just generally do like the product. I do have to admit that it's more of a premium brand, but with the free trial, obviously you can try the products out for yourself and see if you like it. After using Lumin for more than 180 days, I generally feel like that it actually works, and I would definitely recommend it to a lot of individuals if they want to take care of their skin and stop aging. And that pretty much sums it up for this video. I hope you found the information useful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and if you have any sort of questions, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll happily reply. And if you're someone that is new to this channel and would love to see more videos when it comes to men's lifestyle and grooming or men's skincare, please consider to the subscribe button and help your brother out, because we're very close to 10k subscribers, and therefore by you subscribing you really help your brother out. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.